Choosing the right robotic pool cleaner can make a huge difference when it comes to keeping your pool clean with less effort. Between suction power, smart navigation, wall and floor cleaning, filtration quality, app control, and overall reliability, not all pool robots offer the same experience. To help you find the best option, I've selected the top 3 robotic pool cleaners you can get right now, based on cleaning performance, smart features, ease of use, and value for money. In the third, I picked this Ybot robotic pool cleaner. And honestly, it is a very interesting option if you want a cordless robot that can handle more than just the bottom of the pool. The first thing I liked is that it is designed for full pool cleaning. It can clean the floor, the walls, and even the water line, which is important because a lot of cheaper pool robots only focus on the floor. In use, it feels much more complete because it does not just pick up dirt from the bottom. It also helps remove debris and buildup from the sides. The smart path planning is also a strong point. Instead of moving randomly, the robot follows a more organized cleaning pattern, which helps it cover the pool more efficiently. I also like that it has 5 cleaning modes, so you can choose the right mode depending on what you need, whether it is floor cleaning, wall cleaning, waterline cleaning, or a more complete cycle. The suction power is solid too. It is designed to pick up dirt, leaves, and fine debris, and the filtration system feels effective for normal pool maintenance. The 4-wheel drive helps it move around better, especially when climbing walls or dealing with corners. Another feature I liked is the waterline scrubbing. The double pass system gives it a better chance of cleaning that area properly, and that is usually one of the hardest parts to keep clean manually. The app control is also useful. You can manage different cleaning modes and cycle settings more easily, which makes the robot feel more modern and convenient. The OTA upgrade feature is a nice bonus too, because it means the robot can receive software improvements over time. Now, it is not perfect. From what I noticed, and from customer feedback, the robot can feel a little heavy, especially when taking it out of the water. Also, like most robotic pool cleaners, the final result can depend on the pool shape, size, and how much debris you have. But overall, this Ybot robotic pool cleaner is a strong choice if you want a smart cordless pool vacuum with good suction, floor, wall, and waterline cleaning, app control, and several cleaning modes. That is why I placed it at number 3. Secondly, I chose the EcoVacs, and this one feels like a very advanced robotic pool cleaner, especially if you want something powerful, smart, and easy to control. The first thing that stands out is the suction power. With 4,800 gallons per hour ultra-pure suction, this robot is made to pick up leaves, sand, dirt, and debris from different pool surfaces. When you use it, it feels powerful enough for regular pool maintenance, especially if your pool gets dirty often. I also like the dual-layer filtration system. It has a larger mesh filter and a finer filter, which helps collect both bigger debris and smaller particles in one pass. That is useful because it does not just remove visible leaves. It also helps make the water look cleaner overall. The runtime is another big advantage. With up to 180 minutes of cleaning, it can cover medium to large pools in one cycle. It is designed for pools up to 180 square meters, and it can clean the floor, walls, and slopes without needing a cord. The cordless design makes it much easier to use because there is no cable getting tangled while the robot is working. The Smart Navi navigation is also a strong feature. It helps the robot plan its cleaning path more intelligently instead of moving randomly. In real use, this means better coverage, fewer missed spots, and a more efficient cleaning cycle. I also like the app control. You can choose different cleaning modes, schedule cleaning, and adjust the robot depending on your pool. If you want floor only, wall only, or full pool cleaning, you can manage that directly from the app, which makes the experience more convenient. Another good point is the 4-roller brush system. The brushes help scrub the surfaces, while the suction picks up debris. This makes it more effective than a simple suction-only cleaner, especially for dirt that sticks to the pool floor or walls. Now, the main downside is the price. This is not a cheap pool robot, and the rating is not as strong as some other products, so it is important to know what you are buying. The brand also says it is more for daily pool cleaning, not for a heavy first cleaning if the pool is extremely dirty. But overall, the EcoVacs is a very complete robotic pool cleaner. It offers strong suction, smart navigation, dual filtration, app control, long runtime, and floor and wall cleaning. That is why I placed it at number 2. And to finish, first of all, I picked the Polaris, and this one is clearly the most premium option in this top 3. The first thing I liked about this model is that it is made for larger in-ground pools, up to 60 feet. It feels like a serious pool cleaner, not just a basic robot for small pools. The build quality, the size, and the included caddy all give it a more professional feel. The cleaning performance is one of its strongest points. It uses strong suction and vortex vacuum technology to pick up dirt and debris while keeping the debris suspended for better cleaning. In use, it does a good job on the pool floor and also handles walls and obstacles, well thanks to the 4-wheel drive system. I also like the 70-foot cable with a swivel system. With many corded pool cleaners, the cable can become annoying because it tangles during the cycle. Here, the swivel design helps reduce that problem, making the cleaning process smoother. Another big advantage is the smart control. The Polaris works with the iAqualink app, so you can start, stop, schedule, and control the cleaner from your phone. It also supports Wi-Fi and Amazon Alexa, which makes it feel more connected and convenient. If you want to clean your pool without going outside every time, this is a real advantage. The dirty canister indicator is also useful. Instead of opening the cleaner just to check if the filter is full, the indicator lets you know when it needs to be emptied. The filter canister is also easy to access, which makes cleaning and maintenance simpler. I also like that it comes with a premium caddy. Since this is a bigger and heavier pool cleaner, having a caddy makes storage and transport much easier. It feels like a complete package. Now, there are some things to consider. This model is expensive, and customer feedback on reliability and durability is mixed. Some users say it works very well and cleans effectively, while others mention issues after some time. Also, because it uses a cable, it is not as free and simple as a cordless robot. But overall, the Polaris is the best choice in this ranking if you want a powerful, smart, premium robotic pool cleaner for a large in-ground pool. It has strong suction, app control, Wi-Fi, Alexa support, 4-wheel drive, an easy access filter canister, and a premium caddy. That is why I placed it at number 1. That's it for this top 3 robotic pool cleaners. As you've seen, each model has its own strengths. Whether you want a smart cordless robot, a powerful cleaner with app control, or a premium option for larger in-ground pools. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.